This is a 4-row repeat pattern using 8 threads in one colour, beginning from a teardrop loop and work to chevrons. For row 1, I'm going to work towards the centre as a normal chevron at each side. So on the left I'll be doing forward knots. So I'm going to take thread 1 and I'm going to work it in forward knots over the next 3 threads. And on the right I'll be doing backward knots, taking thread 8 over the next 3 threads. And once in the centre, you can knot in any direction you like, so I'm just going to do a forward knot. And for row 2, I'm going to repeat what I did for row 1. For row 3, I'm going to knot the threads more like a traditional straight edge bracelet. So I'm still doing forward knots on the left and backward knots on the right. We're going to work the threads in pairs rather than knotting the outside thread to the centre. So I'm going to forward knot threads 1 and 2. And then I'm going to forward knot threads 3 and 4. Then on the left, I'm going to backward knot threads 8 and 7. And then I'm going to backward knot threads 6 and 5. And in the centre, there's no join. And then for row 4, I want to repeat the exact same knotting sequence as I did in row 3. So I'm just going to do forward knots with 1 and 2. And again with 3 and 4. And then backward knots with 8 and 7. And backward knots with 6 and 5. And no centre join. And from there you want to repeat what you did from row 1, so just returning to a regular chevron, doing forward knots on the left and backward knots on the right. And you want to repeat these 4 rows all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. And once you're finished, you should end up with something that looks like this. So I started with a loop, so I've done 2 braided tie-on ends, but you could do whichever fastening you prefer. And that is your completed open work friendship bracelet.